In this video, we're going to look at how you can weight paint your 3D model in Blender. So, firstly, you're going to want to select your mesh and then shift click your skeleton. Press Ctrl P to parent, and we're going to select with automatic weights. Now, what this will do is automatically weight paint your mesh, and then we just have to make some tweaks after. So let's click on this. And once we've done that, let's select our skeleton and then shift click our mesh. Let's go up to weight paint mode. And here you can see parts of our mesh are already painted. Now, one of the things we can do is we can go over to the tools. We can uncheck front faces only and move this from sphere to projected. And what this will do is if we paint this part of our model, it will also paint the underside. Now for now, I'm just going to turn that off. And if we look at this part of our mesh, if we change this down to 0, we can unpaint. And if we change it up to 1, that will increase the strength of the brush. Now if we rotate our mesh, we can see how this affects our model. So over here you can see that this part of the mesh is also affected. Now that can mean multiple things. So one reason could be if we paint this down here, we can rotate and you can see how that also affects the fingers. So it could mean part of that mesh is painted. And another example is if we go down to here and remove some of this mesh paint, and then we try to rotate this, you can see some parts of the mesh stay here. So there we have it, guys. That is how you weight paint your 3D model, along with some possible problems and how to fix them. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.